Hi, I'm John. This is my wife, Donna.
Hi.
Donna was up yesterday morning poking around on her computer, as usual, and she came across Matt. And she watched his intro video and liked what she saw. So when I came in, she says, "You got to check this out." So when I checked it out and watched his presentation, since we've been trying to get videos to rank on YouTube for some time now, and that's what we're into. After seeing that, there was no way we could not get this program. So we got it yesterday morning. We've been through the whole course, and we're getting ready to start our first channel right now with this program. So the only way you can't make money with this program is don't do the work. That's it. Because he is very detailed, very professional, and I can't believe he can't even go into a bar yet. So, but he's good, really good. So do yourself a favor. If you want to make money on YouTube, buy his program.